what we have here is a Marvel #8. It's a Series 2 bandsaw. It's a full mitering machine. It'll miter 45 degrees left and 45 degrees right. Cutting capacity at 45 is going to be 12 3/4 by 18 inches. At 90 degrees, you're going to have a 22-inch vertical capacity on here by 18 inches, which is the table length for the cut. We have quick release slicing that you can run slicing up for cutting your material. You've got shut-off stops that will go ahead and you can run the machine in a semi-automatic mode. When it finishes the cut, these stops can be set to go ahead and shut the machine off, and then you can go ahead and kick it out of gear. When it comes forward and finishes the cut, go ahead and bring it on back. You've got a blade speed capacity anywhere from 60 feet per minute to 350 feet per minute on it. This machine has a 2 horsepower motor with a 14-foot 6-inch band by 1 inch wide. It's running a 2-horse motor. This saw is currently wired for 440 volts. It can be rewired to run on lower voltage 220 if you need it. This particular machine has had a full 70-point checklist done on it. The previous owner, within the last 2 years, has replaced the lower drive end, which includes the lower drive wheel, the pinion, and all the associated bearings with that. It has had all the belts replaced on the back end as well. Let's go ahead and do a quick test cut. Just run your material on in to where you want it. Tighten it up, adjust your guide arm to where you want your height. The closer the material, the better. At this point, you can fire it up. Kick it into speed mode. You have anywhere from 0 to 140 pounds of physical force that you can apply towards the machine. This is a full wet saw, meaning we have a full sump coolant pump down there. It is currently not on the saw just for demonstration purposes, so we don't make a big mess. As you can see, we're cutting right now. We're cutting where it looks to be is 10/18, inch and a half by inch and a half solid bar. It's going to come forward, bust through the material. We'll go ahead and shut off. Determine where you set your stops. At this point, you can kick it back in neutral, take it back to a positive stop, loosen your vicing, and move for your next cut. This saw is available. Please feel free to give us a call.